You've heard this before. Beliefs create reality. Okay. It is our belief system that is creating the projection that is your movie that you call reality, that you call your personal reality. See, most people think, oh, it's hang on, let me get this right. Hang on, no. I don't want Vibes Creative to cut this out. Let them see my fucking mistakes. Okay. Wait. So I believe it because it's true, most people say. I believe it because it's true. Yeah, I believe it because it's true. No, it's true in your personal reality because you believe it. So what we need to understand is the only reason something is true and is showing up as true in your reality is because you believe it. And I mean, we can go down to the most basic, like, or not even basic, we can go into one of the most interesting examples, which could be like a woman believes that all men are cheating assholes. But it's true, Alex. Every man in my reality and all my girlfriends, they all have boyfriends that cheat on them. All men are just cheaters. They're just cheating assholes. All right, but is that true? Or is that true in your reality because you believe it? Why are there other women that have men that are completely devoted to them and that are faithful? What, are they living in a completely different reality? Well, yes, right? And so this is where we need to understand your beliefs have actually come from imprint age. So potentially you might believe that making money is hard or that all men are cheating assholes because you were programmed from imprint age between 0 to 7 through mummy and daddy, that's what you learned about love, about men, about women, about money, about success, about the world at large, right? And so we're like sponges downloading and duplicating beliefs, and these form as programs in our subconscious mind. And so what happens is we're walking around as a 20-year-old or a 30-year-old or a 40-year-old or a 50-year-old, or maybe you're 90 and you're listening to this, and we're walking around in full adult bodies, potentially still with imprint age programs and beliefs that are not actually our truth. They're just beliefs that we unconsciously took on board from our mum or dad or any other big influential person in our reality at that age. And this is why I believe we have an ethical obligation, a fucking duty to actually take a stand for what beliefs we're allowing in our subconscious mind. Like, evaluate. Are these beliefs I have about men? Are these beliefs I have about women? Are these beliefs I have about love? Are these beliefs I have about money? Are these beliefs I have about the world, the government, whatever it is? Are they actually working for me? Are they in alignment with the vision I want to create? Like, I have had to cull so many of my beliefs. If I'm here to take a stand for the new earth, and I'm really here as a new earth light leader, here to raise the vibration of humanity and to help the collective consciousness raise its frequency so we collectively come together to create a whole new paradigm, a 5D earth, an earth where it feels like heaven on earth. You don't have to fucking die to go to heaven to then experience heaven on earth. That heaven on earth is here. If I'm really here to create that reality, then I've got to really look at what beliefs are no longer working for me, because it would be so easy for me to just think like everyone else thinks and believes what everyone else thinks. But I've got to choose to actually be proactive, to create new beliefs and truly install new software programming in my subconscious mind so I start creating a new hologram, a new reality, to be a living example of what is fucking possible for us as a human race. Okay, and I'm just going really big picture then. Now let's back it up and talk about how this applies in your life. So, a belief is just a thought that you keep chronically thinking, meaning a thought that you keep thinking over and over again repeatedly. It's a chronic thought that you've thought that many times that it has embedded as a belief in your subconscious mind. So my challenge for you is get really clear on a belief that is no longer working for you right now. Get really clear on a shitty or pain point in your business right now, whether it's business related, money related, client related. And I want you to say that out, write it out in a way that's disempowering, that's shitty, like purge. Allow yourself to write it out. I believe that no one wants to work with me because I have no value to give. Awesome. What's the fucking opposite of this? Don't use ChatGPT. Use your own fucking brain. What is the opposite of this? And write it in present tense. Write it as short and punchy and as emotive as possible, and as easy as possible it is for you to remember. And then I dare you, put on a song, find a cinematic, beautiful, empowering, emotive song, and repeat this one belief over and over and over again for the full 3-minute length of that song. You might want to do this in the morning. You might want to do this at night. You might want to even repeat this as your head hits the pillow and you saturate your subconscious mind as you sleep with this one belief over and over and over again. And the power of this is that the 5 minutes before you go to sleep every night, your subconscious mind, you're preparing the marinade that your subconscious mind is going to bathe in for the next 8 hours as you sleep. So try to keep this belief as short as possible so you actually remember it. So when you're drifting off to sleep, you're repeating this to yourself. You choose how you want to implement this. I'm excited for you. Pop in the new belief that you're going to install in the comments. Thank you for tuning into the Manifestation Game. If you've enjoyed that clip, I'm sure you'll love the full episode. Click the link in the show notes to listen now. See you there.